Hello everyone, this is Margot from Celestory, and today we will look into the adaptative path and how it can help you in understanding your public better through a set of questions and multi-causalities which can lead to certain types of behavior. So there's an already existing adaptative path project in the example of Celestory that you can find in the step-by-step section that we will use right here for the short explanation. So as you can see, when we enter the project, the user will be facing a set of different questions that can lead him to different paths. So the first question will be basically quite general, targeted a bit of everyone, and progressively we will be able to personalize the question to target more specific audiences, their more specific understanding of the notion at cause. So the first question, for example, will be very general, and there's three choices, A, B, or C, and two of them are considered to be bad answers, so A and C, and it will correspond to a not good enough understanding of the notion at cause, and therefore the user, if he chooses one of the bad answer, will be directed towards a simpler path, more adapted to their level of understanding and their needs, basically. And this type of level has been, as you can see right here, defined as the beginner level. So it will be better adjusted to their understanding. And on the contrary, the better you answer the question, the higher in level you can rank up to the expert level that you have at the top right there. And so you can see there are four levels here: expert, knower, amateur, and beginner. And these kind of levels could simply be put forward through scores or anything. But what's mainly interesting through the adaptative path right here, for example, is that it helps you to understand what are the different paths and how did the user ended up on the level at which he is at this point. So for example, for the expert level, there's only one path possible. You have to answer right on each question, while for the knower level, well, there's 6 different paths. That means that you have to be right on most questions, but if you do make one mistake, is okay. And for example, the beginner level, there are 12 different paths that can lead to that level. So the importance of this multiplication of different paths according to the level is that it allows you to know how the people have arrived at this point, and it allows you therefore to adapt to their level each time and to their level of understanding, basically. This multiplication of path shows the number of reasons which will put forward the lack of knowledge from a user, and it is very important to understand these reasons. Why did the user ended up on a lower level? Because then it can help you understand, for example, why you might lose a user or anything, basically, on how you're using the adaptative path. It basically allows you to understand the fragilities, the weakness, and to monitor and analyze the behavior of the user, to adapt it and to make your experience more accessible to each level, and basically gives you a general understanding of your public as individual profiles or as group, and etc. So basically that's it for the adaptative path. Then it's up to you to use it and to experience with it. But I hope this video was a bit helpful, and we will see you in a very next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.